Hello everyone and welcome to another short and sweet video. Today's videos we're going to talk about resetting your 2FA authentication codes. And this is actually a rather embarrassing one for me as I recently went through this, and let me tell you how this can happen. Let's say you get a new phone and for whatever reason your Google or Microsoft Authenticator didn't come back over and now you've lost your codes. This happened to me. Did not back up as I should have before I changed phones. And now here I am having to recover my 2FA settings. So as you can see here on the home screen, we're sitting here on the home screen. I'm going to teach you two ways to do this. Let's say you're an admin and you want to do this for somebody else. Well, you go to Setup, User Roles, and then User Access Reset Tool, which then you can use the user email and hit the reset 2FA settings. This does not work if you're trying to reset your own settings. Also keep in mind 2FA may or may not be turned on for every environment or every role within the environment. In our case, we have it for specific roles, not every role, but that depends on the security level you wish to have. To do one's own 2FA reset, you simply go down to your home page and you click on Reset 2FA settings. So it's fairly obvious where it is, but it can be difficult to find when, a lot of times maybe people are not looking down here at the settings. So you go to Reset 2FA settings. You will be required to put in your password for your login environment. So I'm going to use my LastPass here to help me get this. And we're going to click Reset. That will automatically remove any devices that were previously scanned and saved. And now what happens, if you go back, you see in the settings, there is no add 2FA or anything there. Simply what we're going to do is I'm going to go here into my roles, click on the administrator role again, because that is the role that I use. And now you can see my two-factor is requiring me to set this up so that I can get logged in here. So we're going to go here and go ahead and add this. I'm going to remove the previous one that I had. And on my side here, I'm going to select the Authenticator app. I'll click Next. And I will scan the QR code to get this logged in. Now, we'll actually stop here in terms of the video. You don't need to see the methods to go through and do the QR code. Obviously, I'm showing you my QR code here. I will generate a new key after this video is done. But this is basically how you would go ahead and set up your new 2FA using one of the apps, either the Google or Microsoft Authenticator. Be sure to go ahead and also set up a secondary method and remember to save your backup codes. Hope this helps. Another version of short and sweet from Concentrus.